In order to hook up a hydrant, the firefighter first positions the apparatus to establish the connection. The firefighter then approaches the hydrant with the tools required to make the connection. These can vary depending on intake, being accessed, apparatus type, and special operational factors such as a tender shuttle. The firefighter uses the hydrant wrench to remove the steamer cap and one of the side caps from the fire hydrant. The firefighter then uses the hydrant wrench to slowly open the hydrant to flush the ports and verify the hydrant is usable. Once the hydrant has been cleared of debris, the firefighter attaches the adapters necessary to make connections to both the steamer port and the side port of the fire hydrant. This is how a properly dressed fire hydrant should look. The firefighter then attaches the large diameter line to the fire hydrant and to the apparatus. The firefighter then verifies that kinks are removed prior to opening the hydrant. The firefighter will then slowly and completely open the hydrant. If more water is necessary, an additional hose may be hooked to the side port. Even after the hydrant is open, the firefighter should always manage the hose for kinks.